Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on HTML forms attributes. And right now we'll be discussing about the HTML form target attribute of underscore blank. For example, the submitted result will open in a new browser tab. So I'm going to show you how this works quickly. Back to our document. We're having this in our previous tutorial. So I'll make it clean and do something. Let's now say, for instance, now we submit anything right here. It's not taking us to anywhere, right? And I'm going to show you some stuff. The code that is here is this. You can see the code now. Let's save this code now first, and also leave this, remove this. So let's say for instance now we are having this file. This one we are just using this as illusion. Let's do as if we are having this file, so we can be able to know if it's direct us to somewhere, or it take us to somewhere, or it will load, or it stay somewhere. So let's just use. I've discussed about all this. You can check our previous tutorial on this. If you want to enjoy this very well, try to watch our full HTML forms playlist, so you can be able to understand what's going on everywhere, because it's so much important and so sensitive. So back to this place, let's reload it. Now we are having our input of text and the submit button. Now let's just say for instance now we want to what we want to do is that we want this submit button to take us to this inside.php, right? So now let's submit. Let's write anwar. Let's submit it. Can you see it took us there, right? But then now specify target here, target, and let's use blank. When we use blank, you are going to see what will happen. Let's come back. Our form is working. Let's write another thing. Let's write ayofe. Now let's submit it. Can you see what it did? It took us to another page, and our normal page is there. I don't think you understand. Let's submit it again. Can you see it open another tab, and our page is right here. That is the script ready to work, but it's opening for us inside another tab, so that it can be able to do its own job without disturbing our HTML file. So as you can see, if you are following along, you will understand what is going on right here. As you can see, when you submit like this, it's taking us to the script, and the script is now like ready to work, and it's ready to work in another file, in another tab. It's not in our current page. That is the benefit of using the target of the target attribute along with the underscore blank value. As you can see, let's say for instance I'll remove it. Let's remove it and try to close all these ones. Let's submit it. As you can see, it's on the same page right here when we remove it, or when we place it. Let me resubmit again, so you can see. Can you see this one is not opening it in another tab? As you can see, the benefit of using the target value of underscore blank is what you are seeing. Let's now place the underscore blank there again, so you can be able to see what is going on. Let's submit. Can you see it open it in another way now? So let's now say for instance now, let's say we submit something, finish, and we want it to open something or show us something. Let's now say for instance inside this, I want you to confirm that we are doing something. Let's use our h1 tag here. All right, inside file, I want you to know that this is working. That's why I want to write something. Let's reload all these things we are seeing. Can you see? Can you see? Can you see? Now it's our inside file that is working now. So whenever you click it, it will be taking you to the script file. So let's say, let me call it, don't let me call it anything again. Let's say for instance I'll remove it now. Instead of it to open in another tab, to now open in another tab. Let's reload it. Click it. Can you see? It's opening inside the current file, because we don't use the submit underscore blank. The action is equal to submit underscore blank. We are not using it. So now let's use the action of blank, the target underscore blank action of the target underscore blank. Can you see it's opening in another tab? So that's what I want you guys to understand. Can you see? Can you see? So that's what I want you guys to understand. And what akorede ayofe is my name. I wish to see you guys next time. Have a great day. Thank you. But before I go, sorry, I want to show you something. This attribute is going to take it can take a lot of values. So we are just discussing about we just discussed about the blank attribute, the blank value right now. We are going to discuss about the rest in the later future. Have a great day. Thank you so much. Until the next and what akorede ayofe is. Bye bye.